Welcome back to the 10th episode of ECTV Tries, where we undergo a new adventure every week. I'm Phillip.
I'm Megan Spiegelberg.
And I'm Brooke Weston, and we are your tries for the week. As always, we have not been told what we'll be doing today, but have been given a hint. The information we are told about this challenge is that it's time to tickle your taste buds. So what do we think that means?
My guess is something to do with like food or a drink of some sort.
Yeah, I think we're going to be trying something new today.
Yeah, the
Whatever
problem
that
is
means.
I'm concerned of what exactly we're going to be trying food-wise.
I feel like we're gonna mix things, and I don't know if I can handle that.
Yeah, I feel like we might be like mixing either food or drinks. Getting like cups in the corner, I'm gonna guess probably drinks, which is terrifying.
Probably.
Yeah.
That or like maybe we can like taste, like try different things, like guess what they'll be maybe.
Oh yeah, that could be it. Like
Could
trying
be.
and like guessing different like drinks.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well.
All right, it's time to see what our task is for tonight. All right, everyone must try each of the 6 beverages.
With a smiley face.
With a smiley
That's
face.
still
That's
very,
ominous.
yeah, it's still very brief. It doesn't do much.
Well, that's concerning. Let's hope they're at least good beverages.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll be right back, and we just have to set up for our task first.
All right, we're back, and we have the drinks kind of hidden right in front of us that we'll each different like try out and see how they go. So let's unveil these monsters.
Honors
I'll
first.
do the honors.
Okay.
All right, so we have a lot of glass
Oh,
bottles.
I
sitting
see
in
that.
here.
I see some of them. No.
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 Ranch dressing soda.
That's terrible.
Mm-mm.
All right, you want to do the next one?
Your turn, bro.
I'll do this one. I'll do it. Peanut butter and jelly soda.
That's better than ranch.
I don't think so.
I probably. Let's see what this is. A bacon soda.
I actually heard good things about this.
There's no way.
I have heard good things.
Does not sound like at all appetizing.
Next. Grab another one.
Buffalo wing soda.
Okay.
It's terrible.
I don't know, I like buffalo wings.
Pumpkin pie soda.
That could probably be decent.
I feel like it'd just be like a, I don't even know.
I don't know. Let's
Last
see what this
one?
thing is. Sweet corn soda.
I don't know about that one.
I don't either.
And an Italian shirt. Go Truman.
Okay. So which one do we want to start with?
Do you want to start with, which one do we think is going to be the worst?
Either ranch or buffalo.
Ranch.
I think ranch.
Yeah, let's start with ranch then.
Let's just get it out of the way, you know? So,
This is gonna go horrid.
okay.
That's one way to put it.
I don't. Which one is it? This
Kind of
one?
looks like cream soda, and that's really throwing me off.
Please don't say
Oh!
that. I mean, if you spill it, we don't have to drink it.
I
That's true.
Do you need?
No.
Oh, there we go.
Whoa.
It stayed. Okay.
That's
That's
Wait.
gross. Oh, I'm sorry. I gave you a lot. You don't have to drink all of it.
kind of.
Okay.
Oh
Don't.
Oh, it does not smell very
no!
good. I can't even tell you what it smells like, but
Okay.
I'm grabbing the water like right away.
it smells bitter.
I don't have a sense of smell.
You don't?
I don't.
I'm
smell
gagged
nothing.
Grabbing
smelling
we
this.
have little water cups over here to wash it down.
The one good thing of this.
I have a
Okay.
feeling we're gonna need it.
So we just cheers and.
Cheers, I guess.
All right,
guys.
cheers.
Cheers.
We're all in this together.
Not as bad as I expected, but still really bad.
I don't think I've ever had ranch.
The aftertaste is pretty bad, but I think otherwise it's not. I wouldn't drink it for fun, but it's not great.
That was bad.
I actually thought that would have been worse. It
Yeah,
doesn't-
it wasn't as bad
sweet.
as I thought. Yeah, it's weirdly sweet. It was. Not
I've
as
actually
bad as
never
I
had
expected.
ranch, so I don't actually
You ever
know what
had
it would
ranch
taste
dressing?
like. Why would I have ranch dressing?
Like on a salad?
The
No.
aftertaste is really
Okay.
bad.
Yeah, it is.
Put those over there.
All right. Megan, do you want to pick the next one?
Yeah.
Sure. You're gonna have to remind me of my options.
Horrid.
Oh, that one might be bad.
Which one was it?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, that's
Let's do that one next
That
time.
one's like
Just to get it over with.
50-50.
I think there's ranch on it. I'm gonna have to clean this.
Definitely.
Well,
It's like messed up.
I don't want to do this. This is like,
I don't know who came up with these flavors and thought it was
Yeah.
a good idea.
I don't like how it fizzes like that.
No.
thank you.
I keep giving you so much. I don't understand.
For it.
It's questionable. Questionable cup. How's that smelling?
Better than
Patches?
the ranch one.
Okay.
It smells sour.
It does, but it's still better than ranch.
Smells like nothing. Okay, cheers.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Better than the ranch. Not good though. Ugh.
Oh, that's worse than the ranch for me.
Yeah.
Really?
I'm giving that like a 6.
Oh, we're gonna rate them?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, we should rate them.
I'm gonna say the ranch like a good 3 out of 10.
I wouldn't drink it, but if I had to,
Yeah. The peanut butter
4.
and jelly, I'd give it like a 5 out of 10.
that's a 2.
I'd give that one
Really?
a 2.
No, that tasted better than the ranch to me.
My stomach is like, I'm gonna be annoyed after I eat this
Oh, same.
And-
whole thing.
What are the flavors again? We're not doing corn yet. What was this, buffalo? We'll do buffalo, just get it out of the way.
It's weird. The corn one's like oh, the bacon one is too. They're both like transparent. The rest of them are.
Oh yeah. How do I work this thing?
Oh no. Don't- you pull it up.
Oh, yeah, I haven't used a bottle opener like that.
Caught that one. That's okay. I'm running out of cups.
We have just enough, it looks like.
Thank you.
Okay, how's that one smelling?
Not great.
Not at all how I expected though.
It smells like orange soda.
It does. Like an off orange soda.
It's not, it tastes like orange soda.
It's not.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
No.
Why does it kind of taste like orange soda?
Yeah,
is that just me?
I kind of like it.
A little bit like orange soda, but not in a good way.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
No. What? How? 6 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I'd give it a 7 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I wouldn't. Yeah, I guess I wouldn't drink it. Well, just because of the name, I guess. If it weren't named.
If they named it like.
What is this? The buffalo wing one?
Yeah, it's buffalo somehow.
I wouldn't guess.
No,
I wouldn't guess buffalo wing in a million years.
But it wasn't like good. It was like a weird, gross orange soda.
I like that. 10 out of 10. I'm sticking with my statement. We're doing the sweet corn. Because
That's terrible.
Just gonna get the corn over
we
with.
have to do it anyway.
True.
You might as well just go for it.
And I think it should be noted that at the bottom of this it says y'all get your
Yeah,
fixins.
it does. They all of them do.
Oh, they do? I didn't even know
yeah,
that.
all of them
All of them
say
say?
y'all get your fixins. Or at least most of them do.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe just the brand.
Give me your cup.
Forgot to pull one out.
It's making a funny sound.
Ooh, I can smell this one from here.
Yeah.
Can you?
Oh yeah, that's strong.
That
And
is
it does
very-
smell like corn.
That is very corn.
This is the
smell.
first one that actually smells like what it's supposed
Do
to
you
be.
think it'll taste
And I'm
like
a little
it's
nervous.
supposed
I can smell this
Uh,
one.
But you can
I
smell
hope
it.
not.
Yeah. I mean, it kind of smells like
It smells like corn.
candy. Like not like a good. Never mind.
Okay.
Did you do it? Oh no.
No. I'm gonna
The color isn't too appealing.
No,
to
not
be
at all.
honest with you. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's so bad.
That's horrid.
Yep, that's the worst one so far.
Yeah.
That was the worst one for sure.
1 out of 10.
Yeah, 1 out of 10.
Wow.
God.
0. If I had any more,
I would probably throw up.
Yeah, I would.
I need to like wash it down with some. What is this, buffalo?
Yeah, let's wash it
I
down
need to
with
wash it down with some buffalo
Does
sauce.
anybody drink this for fun? Or for,
Maybe
like for the
this
taste?
or this. Like,
That one,
Maybe.
definitely. But how would you think it, you know?
I don't know. All right, we still have bacon and pumpkin pie left.
You want to pick one?
I think we should go with bacon.
All right.
Save the best one for...
Are you sure that's the best one?
This is probably going to be the best one.
I feel like pumpkin pie is going to be the best one.
I
I feel like
pumpkin
that's...
pie's best.
Have you had pumpkin pie?
Like soda or
ever?
regular?
Like
Pumpkin pie's
regular.
good.
Yeah.
I've never had pumpkin pie.
Really?
I'm like shaking. I can't get this one off.
Do you need a cup?
Oh, I got
There
it.
we go.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
I've been just reusing this one, but...
Oh, okay.
Just...
Oh, this one's cracked.
Oh. So automatically the color's kind of pink.
Yeah, weird off pink. Oh, that smell.
Like undercooked bacon.
I missed
Yeah,
the
it's like raw
whole-
bacon.
I missed the
Oh,
entire cup.
Did you? Nice.
I don't want to talk about it. Okay.
All right.
Ready?
No.
Begin.
Cheers.
It tasted like medicine. Like,
It's not
gross.
too bad.
Could be worse, but definitely not good.
I taste more grease than anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
Tastes like
tastes
grease.
like grease.
It doesn't taste anything like bacon.
No. It's just grease, which is not
Sweet
This
grease.
is probably the quickest challenge we've ever done.
good. Probably.
Okay.
All right, pumpkin pie, probably the good one.
We should mix
Hopefully
them all
the good
together.
one.
I would say that bacon gets like a 4 out of 10.
Yeah, we should mix them all
Mix
together
them all
at the end.
together.
Yeah,
at the
mix
end.
everything together. That's okay.
I mean, we have plenty left. I don't know who's gonna drink it otherwise.
We can make Jesse drink it.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a good idea.
Get the director down
Yeah,
here.
get our,
I can't get this
producer.
one. I'm breaking it.
Nope,
Huh? I
that
did.
worked.
I don't think I'm gonna like this one at all.
I feel like it's probably better than the others.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I gave you too much. Cute.
That just smells like cinnamon.
Where's the lid?
What did you say?
Yeah, it has a very strong cinnamony smell.
Yeah.
I'm nervous about this one. I don't know if it's
Okay.
actually gonna be pumpkin pie.
Last one.
Cheers.
It just tastes like cinnamon. You don't like it?
Yeah, it just tastes like cinnamon. Not
It
that
tastes
good.
like cinnamon.
Like a 6 out
Yeah.
of 10.
Okay, I think the best one's gotta be this one.
Yeah.
I'd say
oddly
8 out
enough.
of 10 for that
And then
one.
the worst one's gotta be the sweet corn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I
sweet corn's
actually
the
agree.
worst by far.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoever thought this was a good idea made a terrible mistake. Okay.
Well,
Do we actually want to try to mix them all together, or are we just gonna call it?
should we?
That sounds like a dangerous and stupid idea, but I'm down.
Yeah.
I think we,
why
I think we
not?
should.
All
Here,
right.
wait, I'm gonna make it in a cup and then I'll split it up.
All right. How bad do we think this is gonna go?
I don't see
Oh,
it
too
going
much,
in a
way
good
too much.
direction.
No, not at all. Ooh, that's a lot of corn.
I know, way too much corn.
The worst one is the most prominent.
I don't want all of this. Like, I need to have an even distribution.
Yeah.
Well, once I mix them in, I can't redo. Can't. We got some bacon.
Ugh.
It might just taste like nothing or like everything. This is.
I hope nothing.
I don't want the ranch in there.
No, me neither.
Last one. It smells like orange soda too.
Does it?
Okay, can I have a cup?
Seems fine.
Okay, here. For you.
Ugh.
Thank you.
I need is this one?
My stomach's already telling me no.
Oh wait.
Got my water
No, I
cup
don't want
right
it.
here just in case.
We're gonna save this for the producer.
Yeah,
To come
producer
down
gets to come
and,
down and
and
drink
try
it.
this one. Okay. Okay, give us a smell rating.
Oh,
Like a 3.
Vomit.
the buffalo wing definitely overpowers, or just remembering what the buffalo wing one smelled like.
Yeah,
it definitely
I
overpowers
I
the rest
smell
of
yeah,
it.
it
corn and
definitely
buffalo
does.
prominently in this.
Okay, are we ready?
No.
And that's not a good mix.
No.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh god.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. Oh.
There's a lot of things. If you
Ugh.
really, if you really focus on
That's pretty
the
bad.
buffalo, it won't be too bad.
It was horrid. I felt like I was gonna throw up.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
All right, Jesse, come on.
Come on, Jesse.
Come on, Jesse.
You gotta do it. Oh my gosh.
Is she coming down, or should I just do the exit?
She better come down.
She's coming.
Good.
Yay.
Yes. Need more water.
I want to try this one.
You're just gonna drink that?
Cheers. No, I might.
Oh my god,
It-
no. None of these were.
honestly-
None of these were good.
Tastes fine.
I didn't like it.
Y'all get your fixins.
No, this is not a fixin' for me. Hi, Jesse.
Hi, Jesse.
Is it this one?
Yep. Come on. Come on. Come
You don't have to
along.
drink it all. Just a little taste of the
You just-
monstrosity.
Give it a little lick.
Remember, you signed up for this.
You did. It's terrible.
Don't
Oh.
just go.
Just
Do
go.
I have to drink the whole thing?
Yes.
No.
No.
Just take a sip. Just take a sip.
You can drink the whole thing.
How do you get a refill?
You guys signed up for this, though.
That's true. Chug.
Yeah, it's really funky.
It's the aftertaste.
Yup.
Yeah. That would be the ranch.
Yeah, actually, the ranch aftertaste is probably the worst
I
part.
think she has the best reaction.
She might, yeah. So did you like it?
No.
Oh.
Can I smell the ranch?
Yeah.
Is
Smell
ranch-
smell this one. Smell this one.
Yeah, that
This
one has
one's the
like some weird
buffalo.
smell.
Does it smell like orange soda?
That one smells good.
Yeah.
It's like an orange soda, but like a little weird.
Like spicy.
I would drink this for fun.
Okay.
No.
Sorry.
All right, well,
Thanks for watching the 10th episode of ECTV Tries. Keep an eye out for the next week's episode. I'm Brooke Weston.
I'm Megan Spiegelberg.
I'm Phillip Patches, and this was Jessica Piergallini. You're watching ECTV Tries. Thank you for joining us.
Bye.